Well, we're out here. Just going to give you a little short video. So we decided to do with the solar panel. We put it low enough. It's facing to the south, and it gets sun here most of the afternoon, so it's a lot simpler just to do this, and it's handy another way. I'll let you know later on how it works. Talk to you later. Alright, so what's the condition of the battery after a week or so? It seems to be working good. Battery was dead after my walk, and now we're filming. It's 12.5. That's a good battery. And charge box is working and doing what it's supposed to do, so successful. Now some tea and lunch.